Hi guys, this is Paige over at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. This is Ashley and this is Sally Harrison, and today is Red Friday, and Red Friday is a way to support your deployed troops by wearing red on Friday.
That's right, so stop in today wearing red and you can get a free Desert Wind Harley-Davidson patch.
And I'm Sally with the Mesa Chamber of Commerce. We have members and businesses in Mesa that want to support our military. We have businesses that want to hire our military and they're veteran friendly, so come in and learn more about the Mesa Veterans Program through the Chamber. We also support the Mesa Veterans Resource Center, so it's a great partnership and we'd love to have the support.
Tell me a little bit about the MVP program.
So MVP, Mesa Veterans Program, is a program of the Mesa Chamber of Commerce where a lot of our members have come together, including Mesa Police, to work together to find ways to support our veterans. We have a lot of veterans in this community, and our program is here to support them in either finding jobs or assimilating back into the community from being deployed. And we work closely with the Mesa Veterans Resource Center, so if you are looking for a way to get involved and you have a passion for veterans, Mesa Veterans Program is a great option.
How do you want us?
Somebody sit
I'm sitting.
and talk kind of loud.
I'm not talking.
Hey!
Can you introduce yourself too?
Hey, I'm Ashley, come get this patch.
I was never meant to be an actress, just
Yes,
so
you
know.
were.
And Red Friday is a way to show your support for our deployed troops by wearing red.
And
Oh, is it me? My turn?
Sure.
I don't even remember what I just said. I'm sweating.
Ride with the wind. Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.